Ginebra Storm in the fourth?
Well, it's good that we experienced it, no? Kasi we're not really a young, but a pretty young team, no? And to be able to get some confidence in winning that type of game, that will pay dividends later in the end, you know, in terms of learning to deal with pressure. So, you know, it's good that we got to win the game. We were up by double figures, but knowing Ginebra, you know, they have the capacity to come back, which they did. And Stephen Holt really shot the lights out. You know, he got them into the game. But that's good. But we also have a guy named Berto Bolic, who carried the team also. Big shots, wanted the ball. That's why you need the Berto in your team to carry the team when things aren't going well, especially on the offensive end. When it comes to competition and winning time, Berto is always there to step up.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Berto, as I reported earlier, hindi nakikita ng tao, but your right quad is heavily bruised, purple yung kulay. But how are you able to play through whatever physical pain you're experiencing?
First, credit kay Coach. Ang ganda ng game plan namin. 86 points sa team na yun. I think ang ganda ng depensa namin. Yung fourth quarter lang, pumutok lang talaga si Stephen Holt. Pero credit sa team namin, ang liliit namin, Bayo, kami lahat, tutulungan kami sa rebound. Yun ang nakaka-proud sa team talaga eh. So, sa game naman ito, kahit anong nangyari, gamot-gamot lang, laban na, yun lang.
That's why
Arkok siya.
si Berto is such a competitor. Kasi yun nga, black. Hindi ko alam na, nung isang araw, nag-picture siya sa akin, ganun yung sabi ko, hindi ko alam na ganun kagrabe yung injury niya. But he played through it. So he's really a competitor.
We now open the floor to questions from the media.
Ito, congratulations. Si Silos Torres, yung meron turnover yung pasang sana na busog sa ano yan. Pero hindi siya yung umirat ng buhay yung shot.
Yun yung maganda sa team namin. Yun nga, sinabi ko last sa press conference sa last game. Sila Coach Eman lahat, tinuturo sa kanila to eh. So alam ko yung tinatrabaho nila. So pag libre sila, turnover man o ano, we stuck through it. Dumamang sila and nandyan pa rin kami. Yun nga, sinasabi ko nga, maganda yung linaro ko. Pero hindi ako eh, papanalo sa team. Si Bayo, miss ng 2 free throw, na-rebound, nagtapika, nakipaglabanan doon sa bigs. Sa kabila, yun yung mga hindi nakikita sa stat sheet eh. So, sila talaga yung nagpapanalo sa game na to. Ang ganda ng depensa nila, sa ball screen, sa rebounding. Sipin mo, lamang pa kami sa rebound. Lamang pa tayo sa rebound ko? Lamang pa kami sa rebound na lilit namin. Yun yung kagandahan sa team namin. Yun nga. Bago mag-start ng conference, sabi nga ni Coach, lahat, time to shine. And proud ako sa mga teammates ko na ang ganda ng pinapakita nila. Down siya, nag-miss siya ng free. Sabi ko, hindi yan, okay lang yan. Part yan ng pagiging rookie. Matutunan mo rin yan. Pero at the end of the day, pag libre ka, tira mo lang. And big shot yun, tinira niya sa corner. So, proud ako sa mga teammates ko.
Pero dinado niyo TNT and Nebra after 5 games. Patong magandang senyales sa inyo moving forward na rin kayo.
Oo naman, yun nga. Laging player yung napupuri pero the end of the day, si Coach Jong, mga coaches namin, grabe yung trinabaho nila yung off-season. And yun, nagpo-prove na ngayon yung mga pinag-uusapan namin, everybody is involved, ball movement namin. Ang ganda namin panoorin ng third quarter, ang sarap panoorin. Nung medyo fourth, medyo nagkaanuhan lang kami kasi nga, sabi nga ni Coach, young team, yung mga ganon, medyo nahirapan kami. Pero nung third quarter, nakita mo yung galaw namin, yung player movement, ball movement, lahat nakakahawak. I'm pretty sure na took by surprise din sila sa paano din kami naglaro. So, credit yan kay Coach, credit yan sa coaching staff namin. Nilagay nila kami sa magandang sistema na hindi lang isa, kundi lahat kami nag-strive. So, kita mo yung mga shots namin, halos pare-pareho lang. So, yun yung kagandahan sa team namin ngayon. And hopefully, masustain namin sa rest of the game. And thank you PBA na hininto 3 game stretch na.
Robert, hindi naman nabago sa malaban yung Ginebra. You faced the game several times in your career.
Yes.
Even tonight, there are a fair amount of people talagang ramdam na yung support for Ginebra. How did you shut down that noise, especially in the fourth quarter, to stay composed and one yung mga support?
Yung Ginebra, pag nakakashoot 2-3, ang ingay na eh. So, minsan mararatel din, lalo na yung mga baguhan sa amin. Pero, yung kagandahan sa amin, yung mga asawa namin, yung mga fans namin, at meron kaming fans dyan nanonood din, naramdam rin namin. So, yun yung bumubuhay sa amin. And syempre, mga tatalino namin coaches. Yun nga, sa amin lahat dito, ilan lang ata nag-champion sa team namin. Si coach lang yung nagmamatch sa ibang teams eh. So, pag nakinig lang kami, sumunod lang kami, ganito yung lalaroin namin. So, hopefully, masustain namin. And hopefully, ganito pa rin kami. Lahat kami nagko-contribute. Lahat kami mataas kumpiyansa para mahirap kami bantayan. Yan talaga.
May balita na ba kay Brandon Ramirez? Tinamaan ata siya dito.
Hindi ko pa natatanong.
Pero, tingin mo doon sa nangyari kanina kay Brandon?
I didn't exactly see it. Ang ano ko lang naman is, I might be wrong. Yung inaano ko lang is, bakit hindi nila hininto yung play? Meron, but I might be mistaken. So I have to look at it. Hindi ko sure.
Coach, napakita ni Berto Nugget nagkaroon ng change sa schedule nga na parang firma na ata yung next month.
Yeah.
So do you think nakabuti para sa inyo sa chances nyo na ma-extend itong
Sa pahinga. Yes, sa pahinga. Gives time for sa pahinga lang naman yun. Hindi sa kalaban. Sa pahinga, at least gives Berto some time to recuperate from his injury. Yun. Kasi yun ang pinag-uusapan namin. Like, Bert, kung hindi mo kaya, may 2 laro pa naman. So, yun, nagbago na yung schedule. So, meron time for him to recover.
Coach, good evening. Just talk about Cyrus Torres delivering that last 3 despite being low.
Yun nga, sabi nga ni Berto, kailangan mabigyan namin ng kumpiyansa sila eh. Kasi they're young. And syempre, they will make, the pressure still gets to them eh. So, we should give them that leeway back to be able to deal with that type of pressure and give them the confidence. Yun. So, which, nag-deliver naman si Cyrus. Big 3-point shot yun. It was wide open, pero ang buo ang loob niya. Yun lang naman ang gusto natin eh. Buo yung loob mo na tumira. Basta tira mo, tira naman niya yun. Whether he misses or makes it, wala naman kaso yun. It was a very good shot.
Coach, of course, you expect that the Ginebra come back.
For sure. For sure na capable yung Ginebra to come back. Especially nung tinanggal ni Coach Tim yung first 5. It's a matter of time na ibabalik din niya yun eh. And then last Blasora, last Bolusok, which is what happened. So, mabuti naman na weather namin yung storm. We stuck together, which is a good sign yung sinasabi ko. It's a good sign that we stuck together, na hanap lang kami ng paraan, and we stuck with the game plan.
With that, we conclude our post-game press conference.